everyone, welcome to Beer Cuddle channel. Today we are discussing when are the FOMO trades arise in the market when you are trading. There are total 8 FOMO trades what I observed from the last 5 years. So I am sharing with you guys. The first step is the big gap up and gap down. Most of the time what happen, the sudden big gap up and gap down, especially in Indian market, I am telling here, in mind create the FOMO. In mind will come, otherwise I will miss the big opportunity. Suppose big gap, 300 points in mind will come. Suppose what if it reverse, I will get 300 points, at least I get 200 points. So people are going for the heavy quantity and making big losses in that. And second one is the event news or monthly expiry or expiry. I'm talking especially all points on the basis on Indian market, like event like budget news, like some stocks quarter result something was there, and especially a monthly expiry in the Indian market or expiry weekly expiry. It's what all creates our FOMO in our mind. Events we don't take trade basis on technical, we take trade based on emotion. News also same, tip and something. And also in monthly expiry or expiry, we go for the trade like hero zero trade, like we go all in for 8,000 10,000, go take the large quantity with cheap out of the money call. We think if it is easily we can double or triple money 10 times or something. So these are the FOMO trade this that time happen. And third point is miss opportunity. Whenever our setup was arise and we miss the trade due to some we busy with some other work or something else, that time when we miss the trade, whenever next trade arise now before setup, we take the trade. Most of the time early trade we take. So in that FOMO create in the mind. So whenever the miss opportunity happen, avoid the first morning trade only patiently with the after the setup arise and take basis on the time. And the fourth step is seen other profit. So most of the time I also seen whenever our friends or someone make good profit, like big profit, that time we are not seeing the market and suddenly they share the PNL with you, like 10,000 20,000 50,000 PNL with you. That create FOMO in your mind and you suddenly open the market and punch the trade with unnecessary. You don't know whether it is uptrend sideways or already moment is over. You don't think, just you punch the trade. So this is arise. And fifth point is 1 minute chart. Especially the FOMO create most of the time is 1 minute. It is a sudden gives spike like up and down in the 1 minute, make a lot of noise in the 1 minute chart. So as a my guidelines as a beginner, always avoid the 1 minute chart. It create FOMO in the mind and it's lot of noise in the market in 1 minute chart. And the sixth point is after loss more than the per day loss. Suppose you fix the loss like my per day loss is 2,000. Suppose the today loss went to 4,000 to 5,000. That day your mind don't take trade based on setup. It take FOMO trade technicals, not they follow. Just take random trades in the market after that. Just emotional trade most of the time, and that are the most of the time FOMO trades only. And seventh trade is immediate after market open like 9:15. Some traders are like when the market was previous day they make the huge loss, and after the next day market open they want to recover immediately. So after market open at 9:15, they immediately go for to punch the trade. They don't know whether the setup happened, what the market condition is in trending, it is sideways, it is not the moment day, or it is no event day, nothing. Just they punch they want to recover the loss which they happened in yesterday. And the last point is while seeing the market sudden big red and green candle in the market, while we are trading we are waiting for our setup. That time immediate some news arise in the market, that sudden up or down big red candle or green candle arise. In that mind create FOMOs. We don't see stop loss was there in the market or not. We can easily our systems stop loss we can place or not. We just punch the trade. That time SL also big and we don't know our target also. So most of the time that trade also create FOMO. And the last tip before I'm closing this, the FOMO trades are most 95% are in a loss making only. So these are the 8 points, keep in the mind. These 8 points are very important as my experience sharing with you. These 8 points creating with you, most of the time these points you see in the market, this will arise in the market and you make loss every time with these points. So keep avoiding these mistakes and avoid, you also make down the what are the FOMO you have in the market from there, write down and try to avoid that and see after that the result in the market. So this, I'm closing this and thank you for watching.